All right, what's up, Max Boost fam? I just want to say, get ready to start receiving your Kickstarter and Indiegogo rewards. These books are coming, and I can't wait to get them to you. So, one of the things that I asked in the update is wanted to have you guys do an unboxing video. And if you haven't seen an unboxing video, it's the video that we posted last, where basically the box arrives, you open it up, take a look, and love to see your first reactions to the book. And I would appreciate that. And number two, not only do unboxing book, of course, tag us and all that good stuff. Let us, we'd love to see it. Number two is we may even utilize it in our Volume 2 Kickstarter campaign, if you're up for that, if that's cool with you. We may put it on the page, we may put it in the video, you have no idea. It could be something like that. Number three, we're gonna make this a little contest. So our favorite unboxing video is gonna get something special. So I'm wondering if we could give three prizes away. I'm making this up right now as we speak, but the number one prize is gonna be a one-of-one something special, something different, and I think something worthwhile. So do your unboxing videos, get a chance to win, get a chance to be in the next Kickstarter video or Kickstarter campaign, and also share with us so we can share in the glory and the triumph of something you helped make happen. So we'd really appreciate it. We want to connect with the fans. We want to connect with you. We'd love to see you look at this, and especially those who are original readers. When you open up the book and you open up you open up the package and you open up the book and you turn those pages and you see these pages that you probably read close to 20 years ago. That's the moment we want to see, and we'd love to see it. So yeah, if you could shoot it, we'd love to share in that moment with you. Okay, so and then lastly, I think you should shoot it in this direction. If you want us to probably use it in our Kickstarter videos and our testimonial or something like that, we're not 100% sure how we're gonna use it yet. This is probably the way you're gonna want to shoot it, this way, landscape mode. Not saying that portrait mode doesn't work, because that works on social. Shoot both, heck, if you can. But we'd love to see it. Share it. Thank you, Max Boost fam. Thank you for making this a reality. These books are coming, and pins and decals and keychains are all coming at you. And Volume 2 is coming. Can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna do it again together the second time. All right? Talk to you guys soon.